phenomenal opportunity. Before I joined my econ, I was struggling paycheck to paycheck. I had over $100,000 worth of debt, which was costing me $2,400 a month to service it. I started using the strategies, the software, and the system, and was able to eliminate all $100,000 of debt in 1 year. Woo! What's so beautiful about that was that freed up $2,400 a month that was going to the creditors now comes back to my pocket building me wealth instead of the creditor's pocket. Before my econ had a credit score of 520. I started utilizing the strategies of my econ and was able to increase that credit score from a 520 to an 804. Started working phenomenal opportunity of my econ and started making $1,000 to checks every single week. So now I'm cash flow close to $500,000 using my econ. So for anyone that's sitting on the fence, I highly recommend that you definitely get involved and take it serious, because if God can do it for me, he can do it for you too. Yeah.